Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: A special event at United Nations High Level Dialogue on Energy 2021. Saubhagya scheme completes 4 years. Rajasthan top solar installations list. Coming to the details. A special event on ambition to impact opportunities for global collaboration in India's clean energy economy at the United Nations High Level Dialogue on Energy 2021 was co-organized by Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Government of India, the Permanent Mission of India to the UN at New York, and the Council on Energy, Environment and Water. The webinar showcased India's efforts to achieve the 2030 Sustainable Development Agenda through a citizen-centric energy transition and focused on enhancing the speed of India's clean energy deployment through global collaboration. It discussed the multilateral efforts required for this transition through conducive international policies, co-development of technologies, pooled finances for demonstration and investments to create markets and scale up deployment. Sri Bhagwant Khuba, Union Minister of State, New and Renewable Energy and Chemicals and Fertilizers, India, delivered the keynote address and noted that the India will on the track to achieve its Paris Agreement's NDCs of 40% installed power capacity from non-fossil sources and reduction of emissions intensity of its GDP by 33 to 35% over 2005 levels by 2030. Ambassadors of Brazil and Denmark expressed strong support for India's clean energy and climate action initiatives. Both dignitaries talked about ways of strengthening bilateral cooperation with India with targeted focus in the field of renewable energy. Both Brazil and Denmark are Union global champions for energy transition. The event also featured a presentation and documentary on energy compacts submitted by the Government of India and other partners from public and private sectors from India to United Nations. The energy compacts include those submitted by Ministry of Railways, NTPC Limited, Rajasthan Renewable Energy Corporation, Smart Cities, Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, Newtown, Kolkata, West Bengal, Pimpri Chinchwad, Maharashtra, Rourkela, Odisha, and Surat, Gujarat. Corporate energy compacts include Adani Green Energy, Adani Transmission, Ather Energy, Bharti Airtel, Heidelberg Cement, ITC Limited, JK Cement, JSW Cement, Punjab Renewable Energy Systems, Renew Power, and Ultratech Cement. Saubhagya is one of the largest household electrification drives in the world. Saubhagya was announced by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi on 25th September 2017. The objective of the scheme was to achieve universal household electrification in the country through last mile connectivity and providing access to electricity to all unelectrified households in rural areas and poor households in urban areas. The total financial implication of the project was 16,320 crore rupees, while the gross budgetary support was 12,320 crore rupees. Total 2.82 crore households have been electrified since the launch of Saubhagya scheme last 4 years. The electricity connection to the household includes the release of electricity connections by drawing a service cable from nearest pole to the household premise, installation of energy meter, wiring of single light point with LED bulb and mobile charging point. The journey started with the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gram Jyoti Yojana, which envisaged the creation of basic electricity infrastructure in villages. The focus of the scheme was on strengthening and augmentation the existing infrastructure and metering of existing feeders, distribution transformers to improve the quality and reliability of power supply in rural areas. Rajasthan, with vast tracts of barren land, is now leading the green energy revolution in India. Rajasthan's solar generation potential has been assessed at 142 gigawatt. The state government plans to systematically harness this potential and has set for itself an ambitious target of 30 gigawatt capacity by 2024-25, which will transform the energy scape of the state and the country. Rajasthan has been advancing in solar energy from its second position in December 2020 with 5,389.48 megawatt and has made a record by adding a new solar installed capacity of 2,348.47 megawatt and nearly 10,000 crore investment within just 8 months in 2021. Total installs now stands at 7,737.95 megawatt. Rajasthan's solar energy policy 2019 has been beneficial to the solar sector investors. Additionally, Rajasthan Investment Promotion Scheme to promote investment in state has driven the growth of overall investment in renewable energy sector in the state. In fact, in April 2021, the state had approved the customized investment proposals totaling 34,200 megawatt of Adani Renew Power JSW Solar Greenco in the renewable energy, of which majority of them are in solar energy clubbed with wind and hydro. With expected ultra mega renewable energy power parks projects, international centricity of climate change policies and zero carbon emission policies, it is assumed that the Rajasthan will become the center of attraction in the Asian continent for investments in the renewable energy sector. Karnataka comes second with 7,469 megawatt, followed by Gujarat 5,708 megawatt, Tamil Nadu 4,675 megawatt, and Andhra Pradesh 4,380 megawatt in solar installations. Additional news today. Chennai Central Railway Station has installed solar power capacity of 1.5 megawatt, and all the electricity needs of the station during the daytime are met by solar power. Hero Electric to ramp up production capacity at Ludhiana plant to over 5 lakh units by March 2022. NTPC and Northern Coalfields invited tenders for setting up of 50 megawatt ground mounted solar power plant in Madhya Pradesh. Bid submission date is 7th October 2021. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 211.49 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 4 rupees 52 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 21 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 7 rupees 93 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 4 rupees 83 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 4 rupees 90 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network, and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.